Ah, Mr. DJ. Ah, it's been a long time.
By the grace. Long time.
Hop in. DJ. So how is business now?
By the grace of God, everything is well.
Oh, that is fine. Now, so how are the phones distribution in your place?
It's good, but as you know, I just came in, so.
Oh, you pick it up. You get more customers in no time. But I'm even trying to introduce a new business. I'm trying to import airwick product from Spain.
Okay, it's a good idea.
And I learned the product is very juicy. People are purchasing that product. So I'm trying to.
That's a nice idea.
Yeah, enter into that business.
Yeah.
And Ghanaians are also interested in fragrances.
Okay.
So I want to introduce the airwick product.
Now, so doing so, I am saying, Miss now when you come when you go home, and I'm many sophomore. And you queen a sophomore. Now, why I was so corn so very. Even heaven they say, bless those who bless themselves. Okay, I know what to do. After all, some in it. It is unfair you can ask a man in your man. So it's a minute done and go out the owner.
Behind the Bible, 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 behind the Bible.
Hey, yo, brother. Oh, yeah. I said, I'm about to come two more times. I'm going to boss say the dean quite do. Oh, so I only want to do my party or yeah, do my part. Now, any program that made it brilliant. Sir, that would be for a wedding. So they within 2 weeks we are ending we are. Music tracks. The soft beer or young dinner, so video creators and the also. They are coming for an also. That's when you're going to the Let's say crowd.
Hello.
Good afternoon. Hello, madam.
How are you?
Not to say.
Oh, I'm doing good. Where are you?
Oh, I'm at Koza Video Production.
Doing what?
Yeah, a friend is having his wedding within 2 weeks' time, and I've come to the boss, the director, Koza, to discuss with him.
Yeah, I wanted to pay you a visit.
You want to come? You want to visit me?
Are you busy?
You know you're not an ordinary person's wife, any ordinary man's wife. You are a person's wife. So when you're doing something, you have to make sure everything is secure.
Okay, then I'll be there in 30 minutes time.
Okay, we'll meet in the house. Darling. You say you're so happy pie to me. Sorry, they won't do it. Sorry, baby. That's the big oh, that time is sound because of him. In fact, say, so many say, was in the of the back. Then you pray. Oh, Pepper, what's on your doctor? So I only zero person then. I said, yeah. So I said, hey, Mr. Anza, T. I did go and get the end to see the body. Men, so when I say Yamina, may or not at the Tata. So you come with the rubber penna. What to feel at the blower, at the blower. Oh, so mammy, you. Now you could go for 10 nama. Now I would to feel it in a blower. I mean, it's the easiest thing you can think about. I'm the one man, and I'm already anybody saw those in chill. And to tell it, you say, Commander, you don't know this. Now, that our bar, catch and say, and person made the other half over because a Hannah, I recommend their my Miss Mahuna said in a quality way. Pictures come on, pictures come home. She said, I would hear you now, a better son. Oh, until me possess so the men of the back. Okay, so I will be a friend. By hello, but I'm a young wife. You see, I
That's right.
Remember, this is real. Don't follow those ladies. Forget. So, will you join my car? Okay. But you drop me in your shop. No problem. Let me drop you in your shop.
I came to visit you today. But David, how is the house?
By His grace.
Okay.
But anyway, let's pray as you wish. Young Popon, that I was saying, no pay. I can't walk one who did not go to the house from Jim. It was there, my uncle, more chicken on your mobile, so when you are not in young shepherd, my old over Jesus Christ. Yet I was sick, but I am
Amen. So, how is your mind?
You are doing well, Pastor, by His grace. In fact, Pastor, your anointing was too much on Sunday. Hey, I was really blessed.
Thank you.
Thank you for allowing yourself for God to use you.
Thank you. Thanks for appreciating what the Lord has done. Thank you. You see, this is where most pastors lack in these days. They find it difficult to preach the truth because they'll lose their church members. But we are called to preach the truth.
Oh, you did well.
Thank you, church mother. Thank you.
But do you know something?
Yeah, unless you tell me.
Some of the church members complain nowadays.
About what?
That you rebuke sin too much.
So, church mother, don't get worried. You see, these days, I think we need Pentecostal preachers.
You see Mr. Mensah and wife today?
No.
They even said they are leaving the church.
Why?
Because you insinuate the source of their riches is Sakawa.
Is that so? Okay, I'll visit them.
Then do so.
I'll visit them.
Do so because we are losing a lot of members these days.
I'll talk to them.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. So I'm about to leave.
Okay,
I want
Pastor.
to. Okay.
Thanks for your visit.
Okay. My regards to Mayo.
It will reach him.
Okay. Bye bye.
Oh, greet Safmami and the children for
Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, well, I did furniture works. You found me about around, right? I did furniture work. I want to see her. Bye now, who is it? Oh, I come. Yeah, we're 2012 model. Yeah, very nice. Taste. Yes.
We don't see a new style.
Now, what's the difference? Wait, different. Which price? You
see what I was interested in.
Nice. Hey, Ada.
Pastor.
Ada Kumsi.
Nice to meet you, Pastor.
Wow.
It's been a long time.
Really.
Okay, any other money?
How many pa? You had the money. You're for Kenya, have Kenya. You're shop back over your mobile phones, your command. Yes, now you have to be your council. And yes, I need that. Your friend, I'm also more at their furniture works.
And I was the
so called a new town.
Pastor, where are you?
New set. Wait, 2012 model. New about.
Very nice. Coming orange.
Where new 2012 new model. Yeah, but that's
nice. The orange.
Oh, okay.
You can't see it.
Mention the contacts
Yeah,
Yo, maybe I do the now, I tell say, once I will give you a car. If my car, I have a fire, if my truck, why? Why are they fans? Why are they? And it is by
Pastor Kenneth, how are you?
Doctor, I'm fine.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
How is your church?
Church is wonderful.
Amen. Amen. People are praying for us.
I've been praying for you.
Nurse. Yes, doctor. Please, can I have Pastor Kenneth's folder? Please. So how is everything?
Your work is so tedious that you need prayers.
It's true. It's true. It's true. Pastor, in fact, your inability to produce children is still daft.
Doctor, meaning what?
When we've gone through the tests, there's a problem, a sickness, the cause of your low sperm count, and it's called azoospermia.
What does that azoospermia mean?
Meaning you have a low sperm count. You can't give children, you can't produce children.
Doctor, I can't understand you. As I'm speaking with you right now, my wife is pregnant.
Pregnant?
Yes!
How come?
See, this is where I can't get you. My wife is pregnant and you people are still giving me terms, big terms.
I can't lie to you, you are a good friend of mine. It is just the test we just went through.
Perhaps you had a problem with the test you conducted.
Pastor Kenneth.
Doctor.
Well, your wife being pregnant is impossible. It's wonderful.
Wonderful indeed.
It's really wonderful.
So I still can't get to do something.
But since you are a pastor, I think the best thing is for you to pray for a miracle. You have to pray for a miracle.
Doctor, I've been praying for a miracle, but this miracle, I expect it to work within me.
And it will work. Believe, have faith. Have faith in God. Miracle will come. Because we've gone through 3 tests now. It's all, there's nothing.
You just...
I will try.
And perhaps put me on the better drugs.
I will. I think you will go for, next time you come, I'll put you on test again.
Okay.
To see. And one thing, believe in miracles.
I believe.
And be praying. You are a pastor.
I'll pray.
Let me take the place of a pastor for you.
Because of frustration.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. It's a pleasure meeting you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Nurse? Yes, doctor. Please take this for that. Please take it very well. By next week, we'll be having tests on him again. Please, Thank you. Take care.
I'm okay.
Because you don't look cheerful. If anything is a problem, please tell me.
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So what are you going to take this out?
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I'll be in the kitchen.
Okay.
So many things are happening in the church. Who will save the world?
Bibiara ni warade ntumi nye dadie asone ye so beye.
Yeah, you see, you know me. Let go.
Maybe.
My sister, and my main train crying. The first time some year could call for you what?
No, so nothing you don't know.
No say, maybe some boys be niggas be dinner. Nonsense, some be a monkey can say, as a pastor, why? Or not of mammy.
That answer me. A year I can't. One pedet, I can't. One pedet, I can't. I can't cry for your day, beer. Also, I can concern when we tell you. Secret observer. Oh, no, you made you man. See, says a bed.
Interest in say a copasta.
My woo at the bank, my brother Muko had a young quiet. Behind the Bible. 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 Behind the Bible.
Yes.
That's right.
Annie. Yeah, mom pie. Edwase, a jano quaffo, wadon at the patchy, a dying and comedy had the shows. Especially within him come a din and me we are. Edonasi amo. Edwase, wadon tea. Amen.
Amen.
You, Mamma Quabo.
Yeah,
wait there. I'm Wahan. Baby Sebi.
One quarry.
Pastor.
Yeah.
And first it a bonnet cry,
sir.
At this time, no, Pastor. Since some be a good person, you don't know why and say I say.
So,
sorry, saying somebody that they were too much wage in a home, wage in a home. You did your my pastor more than both coffee.
Yeah, mind you, I no pray. It is her. Now, when say, as a few more headers, your mom, mammy. Mummy, nah, a bunny say now, Cowbina no question baby. Message back, or they be a noir. Two question baby, Omrano. Now, what the fresh and 90 and back. Now, I'm on proper Kenya.
Standing for more than I know to 1 hour.
Mate, me too, my bomb one day.
They say a man for being crash or mood jay. Now, no, that George and any almost a mood jay.
Oh,
because of the year.
Oh, Monka Sanchrom, Momunya, Yaman Crom Bay, what it?
No, soon be quick. Just I had them.
Pastor, my can't tell me so around.
Oh, Mother, a church, Moto, maybe. Now, tell that. It just dumb, be fearful when you want say. Why shan't you most move free? Not at the pastor so needy. It just them not had any no. Oh, nah, James there. So for my men, one year. Oh, my madam, put for my men, Casa, my madam.
no, I cry no to no. Oh, I send my yare. You. See, I better for her.
Mati, me
I saw the last thing I'm pedam. I'm pedam. I'm so the last thing here for one. I'm concerned about
behind the Bible, 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 behind the Bible.
That's right, that's right.
So many things are happening in the world. So many things are happening in the church.
Why is this game kept really so long?
Who will save the world?
In fact, is someone getting to me to go? Why?
Behind the Bible.
Oh my God.
Behind the Bible.
Why?
So many things are happening in the world. So many things are happening in the church. So many things. Who will save the world?
Hello, sweetheart. I'm really tired. See if there's something in the kitchen for me to eat.
Behind the Bible. Behind the Bible.
Something in the kitchen. Go and pick your mother.
Behind the Bible. Behind the Bible. Behind the Bible. Behind the Bible, behind the Bible, behind the Bible.
There's everything here.
Behind the Bible.
That's right, that's right.
So many things are happening in the world.
Sweetheart, there's no food at the kitchen. You didn't prepare anything. But we have everything in the kitchen.
Lady, let me talk to you. Who is the man of this very house? Tell me, who is the man of this very house? Oh, okay, now so you are trying to shift all your responsibilities as a woman on me, right? Just answer me, right?
Honey,
okay.
Why do you speak this way? Eh? Why? It's okay, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
Behind the Bible, 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 behind the Bible.
That's right, that's right.
So many things are happening in the world. So many things are happening in the church.
If you have a low sperm count, you can't give children, you can't produce children.
As I'm speaking with you right now, my wife is pregnant.
Pregnant? Yes! How come?
So many things are happening in the church. So many things. Who will save the world? Who will save the world? Who will save the church? Behind the Bible. 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 Behind the Bible.
Okay.
Behind the Bible.
DC.
Behind the Bible.
Alright, listen. So many things happen in church, mother gossiping, okay. All the secret. Real pastor got my wife, brother. So many things behind the Bible. Pastor fully wanted divorce. God hate it. Why don't you play your role as a man? So many things behind the Bible. Yeah, let me see. You know.
What's up, mommy?
Yes,
Nowadays, I don't see is anything the matter?
Stella, let me ask you. Is it wrong for a woman to love the husband? Or is it wrong for a woman to provide everything for the house? Tell me.
Oh, mommy. You see, marriage is a gift meant for matured people. So in things like this, you have to take it in your hands. Who knows? Perhaps the devil is at work. Why? Is anything something going on in the house.
It's about my husband. He doesn't understand the reason why I have to go from work and come to the house late. Every day we have been fighting over food. Every day he wants me to cook at that late hour.
Hey!
I'm sick and tired, to be honest. I'm tired.
So can't you cook rice for yourself? Why don't you prepare some stew and put it in the fridge so that you do the cooking of the rice for yourself?
That means I have to wake up early in the morning and do that. Okay, I will try.
Try and do that. Who knows? Maybe it might solve the problem.
Thank you very much.
Behind the Bible, 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 behind the Bible.
That's right, that's right.
So many things are happening in the world. So many things are happening in the church. Who will save the world? Who will save the world? Who will save the church? Behind the Bible, behind the Bible. So many things are happening in the world. So many things are happening in the church. Who will save the world? Who will save the world? Who will save the church? Behind the Bible, 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 behind the Bible.
Okay.
Behind the Bible,
DC.
behind the Bible.
Alright, listen. So many things happen in church, mother gossip and revealing all the secret. Real pastor God, by wife, brother. So many things behind the Bible. Pastor fully wanted the votes. God hate it. Why don't you play your role as a man?
Strengthen my soul, God. Holy Spirit, strengthen my soul. Father, strengthen my soul, strengthen my soul.
Behind the Bible, 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 behind the Bible.
Everybody shy for what's the move? I have it. You are going to act your black or a deep yara on your way. Our senses. And I was sick. Oh, yes. Amen. We are not full. And I ask someone. You are a general to the Yapa, ever Braboy. Yes, Yapa, ever Braboy. I think we are quite here. Our Braboy. And in your way, look at Sempa, it do, this is you and the other Braboy. I think I did not give myself. Yes, and then the self walk and now walk. And I'll come here a baby assay. Francie, I'll come here upon two. A rabia of friend of Mary. And anything you have your friend of Martha. Now, Martha, yes. Or your not for your
mother. Welcome.
Thank you, Pastor.
Anyway, let's pray. Father, we thank you for our meeting. We ask you to come and take everything under your control. At the end of this meeting, we will appreciate you. We thank you in Jesus' mighty name. Amen.
Amen.
What brings you here?
Pastor, has Sister Angie come here today?
No, she hasn't.
But she told me she was coming here. So, Pastor, could you remember? The other day when we came here, I was discussing something with you. She shut me down. So I curtailed it and we left.
I saw that actually.
Nowadays, Pastor, I don't see you well.
Meaning?
Things are not going the way it was. What is worrying you, Pastor? What is happening?
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Something is worrying you. What is eating you? You know, a problem shared is halfway solved.
You see, I'm okay.
Okay. You see, Isaac, Jacob, Esau, Rebecca. If you remember in the Bible, God had a promise for Jacob. But Rebecca to train one bezi boshing in him. Nti no mama, wabre ye. And then be say for your prayer. Your prayer for Saturday. Yankas ye Nti
Church mother, it seems you are preaching me.
I am a worried observer. Open your eyes.
Open my eyes.
Sitin Jumbi. Who said say ya.
Sing.
Don't know sacred music, but all cansem. Yaya Christopher Yembu, Nembo or cansem. I say, me wa kodi mo George e bibiri amio. Jimamio neri rekoto. Pastor, umuri yakedim. Umuri yakedim.
No. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay. Me pachon that way wabaha.
Oh, you know I don't work with her here.
Okay.
I work alone here.
We win you.
Okay.
We win you. Emo there, me say afonya ya piro. Ya piro.
I've heard you. I've heard you.
Elkama.
Oh, not really.
Uncle, sister Angie card and to obey. My chan, hands na mama.
When am I?
Ayo.
You've left your phone.
Eja konkonsana. Eja. Eja konkonsana.
Let go.
I sorry, my who will pay the cost? Who will pay the price behind the Bible? So for my media, wait, I'm not
Yes, what's up, mommy? Where are you? I'm in the house.
If I talk, wait me at my office. See, I'm I really not want to talk to you, please.
Okay, I'll be there right away.
I'm waiting for you, okay? You're okay. See you then.
Bye.
Oh, hello, Stella.
So how is everything?
Everything is okay. Please bring some seats and come and sit. I need to talk to you, okay?
Yeah.
Stella, I'm really confused. to go.
About what? What again? Is it the old story?
Yes, the whole story. But this time around, I don't know whether I'm married to the devil himself. I don't really know.
Please, Osofumami, don't say that.
What else do you want me to say? Eh? I took your advice and started preparing food for him before I come to work. Just for him to put it in the microwave and heat it and eat it himself. No, he waits for me to close from work and do just that for him. I'm really tired. I'm tired.
Abba. Again, is it a taboo for him to go near the farm?
I don't really know.
Osofumami.
Yes.
Yes, I forgot. I've been thinking about something. I don't know how best it's going to help you.
What is it?
I've been thinking of separation instead of divorce.
That's a good idea, my sister. I don't know. But I have called my barrister. And I'll call him again to let him know. Because I don't know, really, I don't know what to do. I'm just confused. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Let me finish some little work and then we live together, okay?
Okay.
I'll finish that.
I'm waiting.
Okay. Stella, I'm done.
So who paid the price? Who paid the cost? Behind the Bible, 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 behind the Bible. Behind the Bible, behind the Bible, behind the Bible, behind the Bible, behind the Bible.
And Thompson. Hey, Pastor. Unbelievable. Oh, nice to meet you, Pastor.
Yeah.
How are you?
His grace, I'm pretty well. And
Thank God, by the grace of God.
You're interested.
We are managing.
All right.
Oh, nice. Please take us off.
Thank you so much.
It's been a long time.
Really. By God's grace.
We thank God.
We are always there.
Oh, that's great. Good. If I may ask, this visit, what brings you here this time around?
Well, actually, it's been visits for the day. I decided to come and visit you.
That's nice.
We are more about to talk about the issue of your truancy in church, or I'm talking about your church attendance.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
And I've also missed your presence so much for a long time.
That's true. That's true.
Might have not been seeing you at church.
Of late, I've not been punctual at church. Yes. You know, all has been, these are our porting systems. Okay. I have to be in Tema and Takrade to clear goods. There has been a lot of changes in the porting systems. So nowadays, I've spent most of my time in Accra and Tema. And that is why, now it has come to pass that even on Sundays, we are on schedules here and there. That is why I've not been in church nowadays. I've been absentee for a while now. But all the same, I'll make up to you.
Wow, that's nice of you. I love hearing that. Okay.
Yeah, that reminds me of the project. How far?
Well, we will be able to build up to some level, but we've not completed it yet. Because, our church would like so much funds to complete. Because of the members, I'm not saying they are creative, but most of them, their work are not they are not in place that we can get so much resource from them to put. So we need, that's more reason why we came to you. We come to see you.
And Pastor, if I may come in at the moment, I'll offer 200 bags of cement for now.
Wow!
Yeah.
Nice of you. Oh, God bless you. God bless you. Wow. Wow, God bless you. Yeah, blessed.
Yeah.
You are really blessed.
And one of these days, I'll visit the site and see what I can do, in addition to what I've just said.
Nice of you. That's nice of you. That's nice of you. On a more serious note, coming to church of late, actually, I just jovially said it, but in fact, I really mean it.
Yeah, it's true.
For you to do all these things for the church without the blessings of God is something,
come.
Thank you, God bless. Actually, I would like to have other schedules, so I'd like to run out.
Okay.
See what I can do.
Let me see.
All right. But you are in a very nice place.
Okay. This is just a talking.
Behind the Bible, 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 behind the Bible.
That's right, that's right.
So many things are happening in the world. So many things. So many things are happening in the church. So many things. Who will save the world? Who will save the world? Who will save the church? Behind the Bible. Behind the Bible. So many things are happening in the world. So many things. So many things are happening in the church. So many things. Who will save the world? Who will save the world? Who will save the church? Behind the Bible. 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 Behind the Bible.
Okay.
Behind the Bible.
DC.
Behind the Bible.
Alright, listen. So many things happen in church, mother gossiping, revealing all the secrets. Real pastor, God, by wife, brother. So many things behind the Bible. Pastor fully wants a divorce. God hate it. Why don't you play your role as a man? So many things behind the Bible. Yeah, DC. She know me. Let go.
So for mommy, dear, we chako tempena. So for mommy, dear, we chako tempena. I sorry my attorney. Who will pay the cost? Who will pay the price behind the Bible? So for mommy, dear, we chako tempena. So for my media, wait your cotton penna. I sorry my atom, I sorry who paid the price, who paid the cost behind the Bible, 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 behind the Bible.
Touch of your hand, another touch of your hand. I need another touch of your hand. Father, my soul is weak. I'm dead spiritually. I'm only living physically. I'm dead. I don't know what to do. Give me fresh directions. I'm dying within me. Oh, have mercy, Lord. Oh, Jesus. Okwe mintu minku braba kumamie. Radio okwe mintu minku braba kumamie. Okwe mintu minku braba kumamie. Radio okwe mintu minku braba kumamie.
Sweetheart,
yes,
I want house money. I want to go to the market.
Right. But they aren't you going to work today?
No. And then, the seventh nephew, no, me no, you're piano. They be a piano, a chili piano, they be a piano. And then it's in a fee. I do. It's in Mister. I could.
Sure.
Yes.
Then you know my plight in the house. You know that I'm really broke financially. You know my plight. So as if you're trying to push me to the wall, making fun of me. You know I don't have money.
You don't have money.
You know my plight that I don't have money.
Eh? Wouldn't you? Wouldn't him say when is scar elfia? Wouldn't him say when is scar elfia? Wouldn't him? Tonight we're Diane and Diane. Shall I say they be a chop. Food, cook. Wouldn't his scar? Wouldn't cry me fast. What are you
talking about? Huh? What are you talking about? You're talking?
Your friend Mama, who from Soya Bema. Come here, you Bema just around of her. Will you best one let me see cat the hole? Well, no, you could do. Namiba Bessia, Macquarie Juma, or Yer Juma. Miss Amber Fiana Jua. What I say, you say, what's the way fear like the women chia? What's up, Minamitia? Be fear, Minamitia. Oh, sue ya, no tintin say no, Nina, and Toma. Now, so that you say.
It's okay. Mention all these things.
I have
item. These
I'm tired of you. I'm tired.
Tired of me?
Yes, I've taken it up to here. I'm tired.
It's okay. It's okay. Why all this? Okay. It's. Damn you! How you talk to me like that? Never again. Should you talk to me like this again? Never again. Should you talk to me like this? Never again should you talk to me like this. Yeah? D. Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody out there, help me! Oh my God, help me!
Behind the Bible.
Somebody!
Behind the Bible.
Anybody there?
Behind the Bible.
Oh my God!
Behind the Bible. Behind the Bible. Behind the Bible. Behind the Bible.
That's right. That's right.
So many things are happening in the world. So many things are happening in the church.
Where is the man who brought this woman?
Please let me call him.
So hurry up and call those who brought this woman.
Yes, thank.
Man, you're welcome.
Thank you, Doc.
What happened to your wife?
Please, in fact, she fell down when she was trying to fix her bedroom door.
But then where were you?
Please, Doc, Saturday, in fact, let me tell Asaso. Anna, a young movie, I'm a movie. Me and Mitia, and say, Musumuna, the Doc, me, and then I buy. A jam in Qua, in tea.
Okay.
Doctor Jam Sima, my wife.
Okay. Nurse, get me the prescription form.
Hey, Doc. God bless you.
Doc, she's okay.
Okay.
And soon
okay.
She will gain some strength.
All right, Doc.
And we will to take her home.
All right,
hopefully
Doc.
Today or tomorrow.
Please.
I've added suggestions. So don't forget to add it.
All right, Doc.
So hopefully she will recover very soon.
All right, Doc.
So when you finish, you see me at the office.
All right,
Doc.
Don't forget to see me at the office.
Okay, Doc. Let me shut up. If I just said, don't anybody did it.
I'm doing anybody take a crab.
But anybody, I'm coming here. Yeah. I'm going to get what you see. Oh, I'm going to Mr.
Behind the Bible. 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 behind the Bible, 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 behind the Bible.
I'm lost.
Behind the Bible, 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 behind the Bible.
That's right, that's right.
Hello. Stella, yeah. I'm at the hospital. Dr. Puku, yeah. Okay. I'll be expecting you. Bye-bye.
How's the baby doing?
Baby is eating.
See who is at the door. Actually, sometimes. How are you? Hi, Apunta. Long time. No, long time. Yes, sir. Oh, have a seat. Have a seat. You're welcome. Cool. Hey, honey. Yeah, your brother is, Melody, serve them some water.
Oh, hold on, yes, Melo.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. You're going to be taking.
That's everything.
Cool.
Hey,
No.
Michael. So, how's life?
Not really bad. We are coping.
I'm really
Honey,
okay.
we are at the faculty.
I think my England is feeding you.
Very well. You two, you are growing big.
How can I feed you?
Oh, no.
So how's life?
Normal.
Working hard.
Yeah, as you can see.
So how was your delivery?
Oh, as you can see, it was normal.
Oh, sorry. With my colleague.
Okay. You are welcome. Hope you enjoy your stay. So, who is this?
Oh, he's my colleague at SDA hospital.
Okay.
Yeah, he's at SDA with me. I've been transferred from the regional hospital to the SDA hospital. So we are trying to see whether things will be okay. We need all kinds of this. Money.
Oh, how is life?
Oh, not really bad.
But the one
This. Oh, sorry. Johnson, this is my sister.
Your sister?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, that the color is just different.
Yeah, the color is just
different.
I took my.
Sure.
Haven't you prepared anything?
No, actually, I was feeding the baby, so let me hurry up and prepare something for you.
Okay, that would be good.
Yeah, I'll join you soon. Okay.
I'm my sister.
Your sister is nice.
Oh.
Actually, you see, we are far behind here.
Yeah, you can look at this small.
I'm fine.
I've missed it too. I've missed it too. Funny cool.
You know what?
Steady.
I'm around. You've not been searching for me. But I also steady. No, stop it. You like brushing on me. Fine. I want you to take me out tonight.
Take you out tonight?
Yeah.
Where? Where do you want to go?
Run.
Yes, man.
What do you mean by this? Run. Yeah. You see something? What is it? Friend though. Facebook. Excuse me, I don't know him. Oh, so you mind me? Okay.
Take you out. Yes.
Thank
Hey, okay. And I had to say, then I see you. I say, I'm a I'm a friend. A bra. I didn't see. Okay. I say, hey. Hey, with the Yamias. Oh, my wife has a bone come be a dofupa. Hello, Miss Rebecca send back up. Bon, what then? If you have money, the French. You see, piano, Miss Row, Minutum will be in here. Yakopon, you need enough. Miss Rawada. Say, François, my piano. Say, bright tonight. When some Tawantawa is with him, so born some be near big rubber upon Mamma's animal in the BCC. You say free you crampo, you don't want to say. Equia, Miss Rawada. Miss Row. She, Yamianim. If I tell you, some other country, or children be me won't you? Yeah. Chop. No, it's Rawada, watching. Mr.
Yes, sorry.
Papa, there was a show. Yes.
Hello.
Hi, Madam Ness.
Good morning, Mr. Fury.
Good morning, Madam Ness.
Is this a Fury? Yes. How are you this morning? Good. Can see today you are strong. Yes. The doctor will be in very soon. Okay.
Woman, is this a photo?
Yes, dog.
Oh, you've recovered very fast. Thank God. Nurse, take this food and make sure it's kept where you normally do. Say, see to it that you give her the medicine I've prescribed for you already. Okay, that was it. So, madam.
Yes, doc.
See you once again.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Flores.
Doctor.
So, do you remember I told you to see me?
Yes.
So, right from here, you see me before you leave.
Thank you, Doctor. I'll do right at
You're welcome.
Good. Thank you, Doc. God bless you.
Mrs.
Let go. Sorry, my who will pay the cost? Who will pay the price behind the Bible? So for my media, which I got so for my media, which I got sorry, my sorry, who pay the price? Who pay the cost behind the Bible? Behind the Bible. Behind the Bible, 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 behind the Bible. Behind the Bible, 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 behind the Bible.